Mechanical failures of parts or systems in a commercial vehicle are often the cause of commercial vehicle wrecks. Federal regulations require motor carriers to systematically inspect, maintain, and repair all motor vehicles subject to their control. The regulations also provide that all parts and accessories on a commercial vehicle must be kept in safe and proper operating conditions at all times. A trucking company must maintain the following records for each vehicle under its control. 1. The identification of the owner and the style of the vehicle. 2. A list of the nature and the due date of various inspection and maintenance operations to be performed on that vehicle. And 3. A record of inspection, repairs, and maintenance performed on the vehicle. If we even suspect an issue with mechanical failure on a vehicle with these kind of cases, we immediately hire an expert to inspect the vehicle and determine the reason for the failure and whether or not the failure could have been identified by a proper inspection and maintenance on these commercial vehicles. Call us at 843-839-4111, like and subscribe, and even share if you enjoy these injury recovery tips.
When life gets ugly, just